up from their agent in the Marco Polo International Airport in Venice, and we're taken to their off-site lot where we were given a car that was exactly as we had rented online. Everything has worked great. We've had a great vacation. The rental process was very smooth, and I'd highly recommend renting your next vacation rental with 24h.com. Have a great holiday.